Well, here we go. Take down one of our bananas. There it is.
Quiere agarrarlo.
Well, once you get the bananas off of your banana tree, then you can just cut it in sections. There you go. And you can use it for compost. And now you cut in another section in the middle here. And if you want after that, you can cut it into even smaller pieces, or you can just throw it like that. It's okay. And then, as you can see, it already has a new shoot. It already has a new shoot right here on the side. And that's the sun right there. So that one will grow, and then eventually you'll get bananas from that. So they have a rhizome on the bottom, and they propagate like that. So now I'll cut these, and then I'll put them in the compost pile, so everything gets used. And in a little while, the bananas I took off will be ready, and they're a lot tastier than the ones you buy at the grocery store for sure. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.